This video was made for the hashtag #MakeItMay collab, which is hosted by two of my favorite channels. And they don't even know each other, as far as I know. Sandy over at Mimi's Abundant Life and Luann over at Blackberry Rock Homestead are both hosting the exact same collab. So I'm entering it in both. I'm allergic to milk, so when I want macaroni and cheese or a cheesy baked potato, I have to get creative with things I have on hand. And this is how I made it today. Okay, the first thing I've got is this can of diced potatoes. Put that in my blender. Shake it in there good. We have salt. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. Well, this is salted potatoes. Let's try 1 teaspoon and see how that tastes. I can always add one later. We have smoked paprika. And I think a ½ teaspoon of that will be enough. Give it a little bit of color. I'm going to have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. That'll make it nice and funky. One teaspoon of onion powder. And 4 tablespoons, which is actually a 1/4 cup, but the tablespoon fits better in the jar, of nutritional yeast. I found the best deal for that was Walmart. And a tablespoon of tapioca starch. I might add another tablespoon. Now, the last time that I made some cheesy sauce, I pureed the jar and then divided it into 3 half-cup servings of, you know what, I think I'm going to add that to the cold pan. I'll wait after I blend it and have it in the pan for that. So this is my nice blender that I got at the rummage sale for $4.
Check it out. Check it out.
And we'll pour it into the pan with the carrots. You know, with the paprika in there, you almost don't need the carrots. It's already orange. So I added another ½ cup of water to rinse this out a little bit because there was a lot of gunk in there. I think we're pretty good now, though. It's already got a really nice consistency, but there's those frozen carrots that need to melt in there. Now keep stirring this while it heats because it'll burn to the bottom of the pan real easy. These burners heat up pretty fast. You know what? I think we've already melted that. Wow, this works pretty good. Amazing how easy it is to cook on a stove that actually works. Wow. I'm going to keep stirring it until it gets bubbly. And look at how fast it's steaming already. Seems to be a nice consistency. I don't think I'll need to add more tapioca starch to that. The carrots have blended in. Let's give it a taste and see if it needs some more salt. I can taste the paprika, the smoked paprika. It has a nice flavor to it. Definitely needs more salt. I'll add 1 teaspoon at a time. I'm the only one that's going to eat this, so I can use the same dirty spoon. It's my cheese, my rules. This will be good over baked potato, some macaroni to make macaroni and cheese. You can use this for pizza. If I cook it with agar, I can make a hard cheese that I can grate onto foods. At any rate, I'm totally out of cheese right now, so this will be good. It does have a cheesy flavor because of the nutritional yeast that makes it funky, and so does the garlic powder and onion powder has a real nice flavor. But like I said, it tastes a little more like a hot dog. Probably shouldn't have put that much smoked paprika in it, but it's good. Okay, I think we're just going to turn it off at this point, and we'll wait for it to cool down. One thing I'm finding really cool about this stove is that it has a little warning on there. Even though that burner has been turned off, that stovetop burner is still hot.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.